Question 6 reads, factorize completely 3x power 3 minus 12x y power 2. To factorize completely, what we're going to do is look at the terms given in this expression. So the first term is 3x to the power 3 minus 12x y to the power 2. So on each term, we're going to factor out what is common. So if we look at the numbers, first of all, if we look at the numbers, 3, the first term has 3, then the second term has 12. So what number can go into 3 and 12? So the number that can go into 3 and 12, that's just 3 itself here. So meaning for the numbers, 3 is common. Then we go to the letters. Here there's x to the power 3. And here there's x y to the power 2. So for the letters, we can note that x is common. So meaning x can go into x and x can go into x to the power 3. So y is not common. So to factor out, for the numbers, we said 3 is common. So we factor out 3. And for the letters or variables, x is common. So we factor out x. Then we open brackets. 3x into 3x to the power 3. So 3 into 3, that gives a 1. X into x to the power 3. That means that here we have x squared. Then the operation will be maintained, minus 3 into 12, that's 4. Then x into x y squared. So the x is going to simplify with x, just leaving us with the y square. So at this stage, what we just have to now look at is what is in brackets, x squared minus 4y squared. So these two terms that are in brackets can be expressed as a difference of two squares. The concept on difference of two squares is that when you've got a square minus b square, this is the same as a plus b, a minus b. So can we express what we have in brackets as a difference of two squares? Yes, we can. We know that the square root of 4 is 2. So meaning we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So we're going to show that stage. 3x, open bracket, x squared minus, so 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power 2. So meaning 2 to the power 2 y squared, close bracket. And then we're going to combine 2 and y and factor out the square. So meaning this can be written as 3x, open bracket, x squared minus 2y squared, close bracket. So meaning 2y square in brackets is the same as 2 square y square. So the square applies to 2 and y. So at this stage, this means that we're dealing with the difference of two squares. X square is subtracting 2y square, which is this case here. So for that, what we're just going to do is then show that 3x, here we can use square brackets can add, so x and 2y can add, and x and 2y can subtract. So x minus 2y, close, and then we put a square bracket. And that's the solution.